Vlogmas, you guys. Just woke up, put a face mask on. I did like the what's it called, microblading. I microbladed my face, which is like that shaving thing on your face, and then I just put this face mask on. It's from Aveeno. It's their oat mask. It's one of my favorite masks. It's a very inexpensive, good quality mask. Putting the like detox one because I've just been like breaking out and I don't know why. I still use Curology. I don't know if you guys know this about them, but they like, you can send in a picture and be like, hey, my skin's gotten worse, like send me something new, and then the dermatologist representative will send you like a new prescription cream, or maybe it's not prescription, but like a new cream for you. So I'm hoping that that helps. But yeah, I don't know why my skin is breaking out, but this happens once a year, every winter, and I'm not going to talk about it in every vlog because that's really annoying, so I'm done. Anyways, today is just a work day. I'm not going to go to the gym today. I'm feeling very, very lazy, and just like I'm sore from the other 2 days that I went to the gym. I always take about 1 day off during the week, so Wednesday will be my day off of going to the gym. I'm going to have a peaceful, relaxing morning, and then I'm going to head over to the wing and get some work done. Worst part about the wing is that you can't bring your lunch. Like, you have to buy lunch there, so I'm there like throughout lunch, so I might come back for lunch and like then work the rest of the day at home because I don't want to spend money, and I just bought groceries. So also my room is so freaking loud. I woke up so many times in the middle of the night, and I want to know, do you guys know what this sound is it something like with my heater? Because it just started like once the heat turned on, so I think it's like with the pipes, but I don't know what it is. So please let me know if you guys know what this sound is. I have no idea. It kept me up all night, and I'm worried that if that happens during the day, I feel like it only happens at night, but if it happens during the day, then like when I'm filming my videos, that's gonna be an issue. So if you guys can just like help me out and let me know, that'd be awesome. Right now I am doing the consultation like brief before my consultation at 11. It's currently 8:53, but I just like want to be on top of it. But with my face mask on, it's kind of like blended into my skin. I'm also going crazy because that noise keeps coming back like every 10 minutes, and it's really worrying me because how am I gonna film my videos in here? But yeah, cross my fingers that it can go away eventually. Consultations actually. I'm at the wing, and I've just been like working since 10 a.m. being here, and I have one more at 3, but it's currently 2 o'clock, and I want to go back so I can eat because I'm starting to get hungry. So I'm gonna go back hopefully soon. I still have 10 minutes of this video to upload, and then eat food, take my next consultation, and then I want this Vlogmas episode to go up, like the one for today to already go up. I feel like I have so much stuff to do today, and it's all hitting me, and I feel like I'm gonna have no days off in December, like not even just like uploading every day, but just like doing work. I have so much I have to get done by deadlines and just things that I want to do personally, and I don't ever want to like neglect my personal goals either. So there's things I want to do personally that I have to get done, and it's just so much, and I feel like I'm gonna have to be working at like 8 in the morning every single day from like 8 to 8, like working like 12-hour days, because I just feel like I have so much to do. So this isn't me complaining. I'm happy I have a lot to do. It's a very good problem to have, but I'm just looking at my calendar, and every time I look at it, get a little stressed. So maybe I should stop looking at it as much. Still need to upload the Google Calendar video. That video will go up soon. I've just been postponing it, but it will go up soon, I promise. Sit down videos that you guys want me to do, let me know, because I definitely will be sprinkling some sit down videos in the middle of Vlogmas too, because I feel like there's no way I'm gonna have enough footage every single day for Vlogmas. Best Italian restaurant in all of New York City. We found it on Yelp. It's supposed to be really, really great. We've never been before. Never been. Actually, Samra actually has never been to this place before, but I'm really excited because, you know, New York City has such amazing Italian food. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what we get. Excited?
So excited.
We're waiting 45 minutes.
Catch me in Times Square for no. Yeah. No, like yesterday.
How was it?
I don't think I'll be coming back here anytime soon.
How was your first Olive Garden experience?
I feel ill.
I know, yeah. Well, we only had, this is my first salad. I barely touched it. I had a soup, and then if you guys ever go to Olive Garden, you gotta get the Alfredo sauce for the breadsticks. And then they got pasta with it.
Or you can just get Alfredo pasta and then dip it in that sauce.
Yeah, because that was $8. Like, this is the most expensive Olive Garden I've ever been to in my life.
Never again.
No. We've been to fancy Italian places and paid less than this.
Yeah, that's the secret. Don't even bother coming to Olive Garden. Just go hang out in like Tribeca or Little Italy.
What do you do? What?
Or Little Italy. Stock up on the breadsticks because this is
Oh yeah.
$8.
Yeah, that is worth every
I mean, I
penny.
can always eat more bread with cheese. Regardless how full I am. The soup was good. I think the soup was the only thing that was worth coming for.
And bread.
And the bread.
Of course.
You know,
Yeah.
French with the iceberg is kind of nice.
Yeah, but it was very unsatisfying.
That's the thing. The experience is unsatisfactory.
Yeah,
It's not
unsatisfying.
fun.
But we'll be back for New Year's.
For a crisp $400. Is that what we're actually doing?
I'm trying to learn it. It's not working.
I cannot dance.
Wait, I want to do the foot one, the one that's like.
How do we have to look it up?
I don't know.
Na.
I think it's like a foot kick.
Oh, I got it. Oh, no, dance challenge. Okay.
All right, we're gonna try practicing this. This is where it gets complicated.
Let's just try it again.
Okay. Just wing it. Okay. All right. Oh.
Wait, or is it? We have to go like here. Okay.
I am about to go to bed right now, but today was a very fun day. We tried to go see the Rockefeller Center, the Rockefeller tree light up, but there were so many people there, so we just decided to come back home because we weren't even gonna see the tree, and it was just like so crowded and so many people. So we were like, yeah, let's just leave and go back home. So I'm doing some TikToks. Follow us on TikTok, guys. It was a lot of fun, but yeah, it was so much fun doing that. I feel like TikTok is really, like, I can spend like a long time on TikTok. It's funny. It's the new Vine, and I'm here for it because I loved Vine when I was in high school. Or actually in college. It was in college, actually. I think it was like my freshman, sophomore year of college. But that was just a fun day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I can't wait to be vlogging tomorrow again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.